Truck B mate, less than 5. Keep it clean, guys. Keep it clean. And no marshals, guys. Go, go, go. All right, as they come around, we'll see. Gonna be some changes here. A couple little bobbles. Ooh, and they come around. We got Tim, Gregory, Jonathan, Tracy, Charles, No, Wayne, Stu, Don, Charles. Watch that box, guys. Watch the box. It's clear. They come around bumping the top 2 trucks. So right now, Tim and Gregory both in them safe bump up spots. We got Timmer, that all flow yellow. And we got Gregory, the pink and green. Gregory up on 2 wheels. That's going to let Bracy Gaskins get around. So Bracy looking to be that white and orange truck. So Bracy looking to be 7/10 off of Timmer. Timmer now with an 18.508. It's Tim, Bracy, Gregory, Wayne, Don, Jonathan, Stu, Charles. Right now hot lap by Bracy, 15.3, Timmer 16.0, Gregory 16.0, Wayne 17.0, Don 17.0, Jonathan 17.1, Stu 17.3, Charles 17.4. They come around, looking on lap number 5. It's Timmer, Bracy, Gregory, Wayne, Don, Jonathan, Stu, Charles. Gregory looking to be 6/10 of a second off of Bracy. Bracy 3/10 off of Timmer. We got 3:30. They come around Bracy all over that all yellow truck at Tim. Your 1, 2, 3 down the front straightaway. Crossing the start finish line. Tim 15.8, Bracy 15.8, Gregory 15.8. Right there, Timmer getting a little wrong, not gonna hurt him. So right there, Bracy looking to make the move around. These stadium trucks are wide, they take up half a lane. That yellow truck is your leader, guys, followed by the white and orange and the white and pink. So give them some room, guys. They're battling for 1, 2, 3. We got 2:55 to go. It's Tim, Bracy, Gregory, Wayne, Charles, Don, Jonathan, Stu. Watch that back straightaway, guys. Thank you, DC. We got 2:45 to go. It's still Timmer, Bracy, Gregory, Wayne, Charles, Don, Jonathan, Stu. Right there, Tim, that all yellow truck. Followed by Bracy. Bracy looking to be the white and orange. And we still got Gregory at white and pink. So Gregory looking to be 8/10 of a second off of Bracy. Your 2 and 3 trucks come to the center tabletop over the roller. Getting around Mr. Don. Thank you, Don. We got 2:15 to go. 2 and 3 down the front straightaway now, crossing the line. Bracy 15.6, Gregory 15.8. Gregory 1 second off of Bracy. Bracy 4 seconds off of Timmer. We got 2 minutes to go. Watch this front straightaway wide, guys, on the straightaway, wide, wide, wide. It's clear. We got 1:55. It's Tim, Bracy, Gregory, Wayne, Charles, Don, Jonathan, Stu. Go out all yellow, followed by the white and orange, then the white and pink. They cross the line there. Tim 16.6, Bracy 15.3, Gregory 16.2. Gregory now 3 seconds off of Bracy. Bracy 2 seconds off of Timmer. And right there, Tim 16.5, Bracy 15.9. So Bracy 1 second off of Timmer. Bracy stretching out that 2 spot. Gregory now 3.5 off of Bracy. We got 1:10. Watch his front straightaway. It's clear.
1 minute left.
We got 1 minute. They come around Timmer and Bracy and them safe bump ups. It is looking to be 45 seconds to go. Bracy getting around Timmer. Timmer here going to put it on cruise control. Going to try to hold down that 2 spot. Bracy here crossing the line. 15.3, new hot lap of the race. Watch the front stretch. Wide on the front stretch. Wide, wide, wide. Oh, down, Chad. Thank you, Chad. It is clear. And we got 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
And everybody finish your laps.
Parkersburg done.
All right there, Charles, you're done.
Fellow done.
Jonathan, you're done.
Done.
Wayne, you're done.
Don Fellow done.
Don, you're done.
Rocky Gaston done.
All right there, Bracy, Timmer, and Gregory, just looking for Stu. And that is a race, guys. So Bracy Gaskin's taking that one with 19 laps, followed by Tim with 19, Gregory with 19, Wayne with 17, Don with 17, Charles with 16, Jonathan with 16, and Stu with 16.
The race is complete.
And it's going to bump Bracy and Timmer both up to the stadium truck. Amen.